of vlogs, and I just finished up a practiced AP test. It's a Saturday, and I'm at my school. As you can see, there's no one around. So, I think I'm gonna go watch Kamina's softball game in a bit, and meet up with Zach in a while. And that's about it, though. So I will see you guys soon. Hope everyone's day is going well so far. Yeah. Car. As you can see, he's got a Rolls Royce. Here's his
Rolls
keys.
Royce, 1950.
His keys are right there. You wanna go start her up?
Let's go.
We're gonna go for a ride.
The window's open.
No, I'm just playing, y'all. Okay. Where's Zach doing some flips? He has no concept of like spatial awareness.
He's gonna break his damn neck.
He's gonna break his damn neck. He just landed on the spring like 2 seconds ago because he doesn't know what the hell he's doing. What the? Guys, so we're out here right now. We are doing something really cool.
Cutting off Mario's pipe on his
cutting-
Subaru legacy.
We're cutting off Mario's pipe. So we're cutting off this guy's pipe here. Put it under, you fool. Oh. Put him down. Mario's new WRX. He's pretty pumped about it,
That
guys.
little fat exhaust.
That's a fat exhaust. It's huge. It sounds dope. Yeah. So
I'll shoot one of these.
okay, so we're gonna go under the thing now, bro. It's a grease gun. Never mind. All right. What if the car rolls off and onto your head?
Fucking starts on its own and fucking backs up.
I'm just gonna back it up a little more.
Good progress. There's your boy Zach learning about cars. He's a beginner. There he is.
The rest is collapse. Don't crush.
Yeah, guys, and then we got you already know your boy Jaja Vlogs has his car over here. So we'll just start it up for no reason. Just to listen.
Safety is #1 priority.
There goes a New Mexican hacker. He's got his power tool, y'all. He's ready to go. Get you that premium view.
Oh, there it goes. This damn blade's going everywhere.
Sick. We changed our battery and we're ready to finish.
Ready to rumble?
Here we go.
Let's go. Wait, how do you get the blade in there?
Close. And Mario's going ham. Here is the defining moment.
Here's the final
We're gonna see if it changes anything. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, damn, bro! Dude, I heard you driving up. It's all. So we just pulled into my boy's house. So we just came to this nice man's house and he's showing us his barn find.
He's nice
Maserati.
enough to show us his nice cars, his nice exotics.
Maserati and his Testarossa Lamborghini. I mean, his Testarossa
Some
Ferrari.
barn finds,
And we're about to
dude.
see his Lamborghini. So let's check it out.
These you put it here, right there, and it's convertible.
Nice.
Oh wow.
Like it has the gated manual too, dude. Oh my god, this is beautiful.
Look at this.
How long have you had it?
Oh my lord.
Wow.
I need to take a picture of this.
Let's go around. How pumped are ya?
It's pretty sick, dude.
Yeah. Fourteen thousand miles.
That's what it has. Look at the inside here, it's almost new.
Wow.
14,000 miles.
Just needs a good vacuum and
What do you think, Mario?
it's tight, man. Barn find.
Dope.
Yes, it is.
So I guess we got a Ferrari, we got a Maserati Gran Turismo,
And we got a
and we
Lamborghini
got a Lambo in the
Testarossa.
garage.
Yeah, guys. So it's pretty nice. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Yo, guys. So we found some super dope cars, as you saw. And right now I'm waiting in my car right here for Mario to get off the phone, and then we're gonna go get some dinner at Freddy's. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that little bit of the cars. Pretty dope. So yeah, I'll see you all in a bit. All right, guys. So we're here at Freddy's. We made it, and we were driving, and we heard Mario's nice new muffler delete.
With a couple holes at the You should put that in the bloopers.
Yeah, he couldn't hold the saw straight, so there's like some slits in the side of the giving an exhaust leak.
Yeah.
So we'll see you in a bit. All right, boys. This is our farewell. We'll get one last little listen to our boys' car. Later, fellas.
Later, dude.
Yo, guys. So that was a super dope day, as you saw. We saw some super cool things. The cars. We did the car work. I saw my girlfriend play. So as you can see, I had a good day. Great day, actually. And yeah, so there'll be some more great days soon to come. I guess that's about it, though. Hope everyone's day was super dope, like mine. And yeah, so I will see you all very soon. We're probably going to do another video with Mario's car. And yes, so that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Hit the like button down below because the video was great. You better like it. Just kidding, guys. So I'll see you all soon. Everyone,
Touch your soul, and when you give it up to me, you